Hi, I'm Seth Fineberg, Managing Editor of AccountingWEB. I am very pleased to be here with Diane Yetter, Yetter Tax, and the Sales Tax Institute here at the Apple Hour Crush event 2018 in Washington, D.C. On the minds of practitioners here is the topic of automation, particularly around tax, but automation in general has caused a lot of stress among accountants and their clients, selecting products, what to do, what not to do, how to go about it, what should I spend, how to measure. And we want to have these frank discussions with practitioners. And so I have you here today just to ask you, what do you think are the biggest blockers to automation right now?
It's a great question, Seth, and one I get asked a lot. And when we help companies with automation, the thing that we think is most important, and in fact, we will actually turn down engagements if companies will not do this, and that is figure out what you need before you decide what tool you acquire.
Right. What is it you would like to automate?
What is it that you want to automate, but also going beyond that? What are the tax rules that apply? What do you sell? How do you sell? Where do you sell? So a solution that might be great for somebody that sells through an e-commerce platform just within the U.S. of tangible personal property is not going to be the same solution that will work for somebody that needs global on procurement and sales, using multiple platforms to sell on. And we get called into a lot of companies that have already selected the tool and have no idea what they really need. And then you have to try to fit within the tool that they've already made a contractual arrangement to use.
I've heard that often.
And that is probably one of the biggest
tool,
things. Exactly. And so that's one of the biggest challenges, I think, to effective automation. And then I think the second thing is really understanding the data that you need to make appropriate tax decisions. And there are different connectors, different integrations that have sometimes oversimplified what is needed, and then the seller, or the purchaser, whichever side you're looking at, is kind of stuck because they can't do it right because the technology didn't anticipate or didn't understand what was needed.
Diane, thank you so much for your answer.
You're welcome.